Have you ever tried to get something from an AI, like ChatGPT or Gemini, and it just gives you garbage? You ask it to write an email, and it sounds like a robot from a 50s sci-fi movie. You ask for a business idea, and it gives you something completely impractical. The problem isn't the AI. The problem is the prompt. Learning to write a great prompt is the single most important skill for using AI effectively. It's the difference between getting a useless paragraph and getting a game-changing insight. So, if you're ready to unlock the true power of AI, stick around. We're about to turn you into a prompt engineering pro. First, let's nail the core principle. Think of it like a recipe. Every great prompt needs 3 key ingredients: context, clarity, and constraints. First, context. This is the background information the AI needs to understand the world you're operating in. Second, clarity. You have to be crystal clear about what you want. Don't be vague. And third, constraints. These are the rules of the game, the tone, the length, the format you want the output to follow. Let me show you the difference. A bad prompt would be something like, write about inflation. It's lazy, it's vague, and the AI has no idea what you really need. It might give you a college-level dissertation or a single sentence, who knows? Now, a good prompt looks like this. Explain inflation in 3 paragraphs using simple language suitable for a high school student and include 1 real-world example. See the difference? We provided context for high school students, clarity, explain inflation, and constraints, 3 paragraphs, simple language, 1 example. This simple formula is the foundation for everything else we're about to cover. Next up, give the AI a role or a persona. This is a game changer. When you tell an AI asterisk who asterisk it is, you prime it to think and write from a specific perspective, dramatically improving the quality and relevance of its response. Instead of just asking a question, you can say, act as a financial analyst specializing in macroeconomic policy, ... and then ask your question about inflation. Or, if you're working on something creative, you could say, you are a seasoned anime critic and storyteller, ... Double quotes. This helps the AI adopt the right voice, jargon, and mindset. For a business task, try this. Imagine you are a UX designer tasked with improving a finance app interface. By assigning a role, you're not just getting an answer. You're getting expertise. Now, let's talk about structure. Don't throw a giant wall of text at the AI. Break your request down into logical blocks. This makes it easier for the AI to understand each component of your request and deliver a well-organized output. A great structure to follow is objective context, instructions, and output format. Let's say you want to create a video script. Here's how you'd structure the prompt. Objective. Write a YouTube video script. Context. The channel covers personal finance and technology formulate instructions. Make the script inspiring and dramatic, with a storytelling style similar to the author Paulo Coelho. Output format. The script should be 10 paragraphs long, with each paragraph containing about 5 sentences. This block-based approach forces you to think clearly about what you want and ensures the AI follows your plan perfectly. Being explicit is your best friend when it comes to style, tone, and format. Don't just hope the AI gets it right. Tell it exactly what you want. Use specific style cues. For example, if you're writing a product description, you could say, "Write this in the tone of Apple's marketing minimalist, elegant, and emotionally engaging." Use short sentences and a rhythm that builds excitement. You can also include negative instructions, which are just as powerful. For instance, you could add "avoid corporate jargon and long, complex sentences." By defining both what you want and what you don't want, you leave very little room for error and guide the AI toward the perfect output. One of the most powerful techniques is to show, not just tell. If you want the AI to mimic a specific style, give it an example. This is far more effective than just describing the style. Let's go back to our Paulo Coelho example. You could say, "Write a short motivational story about saving money in the style of The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho." To help you match the tone, here is a short excerpt from the book, ... double quotes. And then you would paste a small quote, "The AI learns by analogy." By seeing a direct example, it can capture the nuances of the tone, rhythm, and vocabulary with incredible accuracy. This is how you get truly stylized and consistent results. Here's a crucial mindset shift. Treat prompting as a conversation, not a one-time command. Don't expect perfection on your first try. The best AI users embrace iteration and refinement. Your first prompt gets you a draft, a starting point. From there, you refine it. You might get an output and say, "Okay, that's a good start." Now, make it shorter, more emotional, and add 2 real-world examples. Then you get a new version. Maybe you refine it again. Great. Now rewrite the conclusion to be more optimistic. Think of the AI as a creative partner. The first output is just a prototype. Your job is to guide it through feedback until it produces exactly what you envisioned. A great prompt balances specificity with freedom. You need to be specific where it matters most, but give the AI room to be creative elsewhere. This is how you get innovative ideas that are still grounded in reality. For example, let's say you're brainstorming business ideas. You could prompt, "Generate 5 business ideas for a new fintech app." If you need the output to be easy to read and use, you have to ask for a specific structure. Don't just ask for a summary of an article and get a dense paragraph back. Instead, request a structured format that organizes the information for you. For example, summarize this article in a table with 3 columns: key idea, implications, and action steps. You can ask for bullet points, numbered lists, JSON, Markdown, or any other format you need. This is especially useful when you're dealing with a lot of data or when you plan to reuse the output in another application. Structuring the output saves you a ton of time on post-processing and makes the information immediately usable. Here's a more advanced trick. Prompt the AI to think before it answers. This is often called chain of thought prompting. While you can't see the AI's internal reasoning, you can explicitly ask it to lay out its thought process. This is incredibly useful for complex problems where logical consistency is key. You can add a simple instruction like think step by step before giving the final answer, or list your reasoning briefly before you present the conclusion. This forces the AI to break down the problem, evaluate different angles, and build a more logical and accurate response. It reduces the chance of errors and helps you understand how the AI arrived at its conclusion. Finally, did you know you can use prompts to write better prompts? This is called meta-prompting, and it's like having a personal AI coach. If you're struggling to articulate what you want, just ask the AI for help. You could say something like, "Help me design an optimized prompt to generate investment insights for early-stage tech startups." Or you can give it your current prompt and ask for improvements. "Here's my prompt. Can you rewrite it to be more specific, clear, and goal-oriented?" The AI will analyze your request and suggest a better, more effective version. This is an amazing way to learn and to build a library of reusable, high-performance prompt templates for all your different workflows. And that's it. 10 powerful strategies to level up your prompting skills and get exactly what you want from any AI. If you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. And make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video, where we'll dive even deeper into practical AI workflows. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.